In recent years, artificial intelligence has made a significant impact on the video editing landscape, streamlining the editing process, reducing manual work, and enhancing creativity. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone looking to simplify video editing, AI tools are here to make the process more efficient and intuitive. Here, we'll explore some of the top AI-powered video editing software available today, highlighting key features, pros, and cons of each to help you find the right tool for your needs. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe Sensei AI. Adobe Premiere Pro is a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts, and its integration with Adobe Sensei, Adobe's AI platform, has taken it to the next level. Adobe Sensei automates time-consuming tasks such as color correction, scene editing, and audio balancing, allowing editors to focus on creativity rather than routine tasks. Key features: auto reframe. This feature automatically adjusts the aspect ratio for different platforms, making it easy to repurpose content for social media. Color match. Adobe Sensei matches the color of multiple clips, maintaining consistency across different shots. Sound remixer. Optimizes background music for the length of your video. Cons: steep learning curve for beginners. Expensive subscription model. 2. Magisto by Vimeo. For users seeking an effortless video editing experience, Magisto stands out as a highly automated, user-friendly tool. Designed primarily for marketers and social media creators, Magisto combines AI-powered editing with a simple interface. After uploading footage, Magisto's AI analyzes the content and automatically edits it, applying transitions, effects, and even selecting music based on the theme. Key features: emotion recognition. AI detects emotional cues in your footage and chooses appropriate editing styles and music. Pre-designed templates. A variety of templates geared towards social media, marketing, and storytelling. Brand customization. Business users can add logos and brand colors for cohesive branding. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly with minimal manual editing required. AI-driven automatic editing and music selection. Great for quick, social media-ready videos. Cons: limited control over specific edits. Requires a subscription for premium features. 3. Lumen 5. AI video creation for content marketing. Lumen 5 is a unique AI video editing tool that's optimized for content marketing. It takes text input, such as blog posts or articles, and converts it into engaging video content, making it ideal for content creators who want to repurpose their written material as videos. Key features: text-to-video conversion. Lumen 5 reads the text and uses AI to create a video storyboard, matching visuals to the text. Auto layouts and transitions. AI-driven design features simplify creating a professional look. Image and video library. Access to a vast library of images, music, and video clips. Pros: quick conversion of written content into video. A rich library of media resources, perfect for social media content marketers. Cons: limited customization for advanced editing. Works best for short, caption-driven videos. 4. Wondershare Filmora. AI-powered simplicity. Filmora has been popular among beginner and intermediate editors for its user-friendly interface, and with the addition of AI features, it's more accessible than ever. Filmora's AI tools focus on automating tedious tasks while giving editors creative control. Key features: auto highlight reel. AI identifies key scenes and compiles them into a highlight reel. Scene detection and removal. Helps quickly find and remove unwanted scenes. Audio syncing. AI synchronizes audio with video for multicam setups. Pros: intuitive and easy for beginners to master. Affordable one-time payment or subscription. Regular updates with new effects and templates. Cons: limited advanced features compared to professional software. AI tools are basic compared to Adobe Sensei. 5. Descript. Revolutionizing audio-video editing. Descript is an innovative AI-powered editing tool that merges audio, video, and transcription editing into one platform. Descript's standout feature is its text-based video editing, where you can make edits directly to the transcript, and the software will adjust the video to match. Key features: overdub, AI-generated voice cloning that lets you fix spoken errors by typing in new text. Script-based editing. Edit video content directly through the transcript. Screen recording and editing. Great for creating tutorials and online courses. Pros: unique text-based editing interface. Excellent for creators focused on audio, video, and transcription needs. AI-powered video editing software is transforming how content creators approach video production. Whether you're a beginner looking for simple tools or a professional seeking efficiency in post-production, there's a wide range of AI-enhanced options to explore. Each tool has its strengths and drawbacks, from Adobe Premiere Pro's professional-grade capabilities to Magisto's automated simplicity and Descript's unique text-based editing. Ultimately, choosing the best AI-powered video editing tool depends on your editing needs, budget, and desired level of control. With AI continuing to advance, it's an exciting time to leverage these tools for creating engaging, polished videos more efficiently than ever before.